Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study chapter 6 triangles, exercise 6.5 question 8. In figure, O is a point in the interior of a triangle ABC. So this is the triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, in the interior, O is a point in the interior. So O is the point in the interior of the triangle ABC and OD is perpendicular to BC. OD is perpendicular to BC, OE is perpendicular to AC, OF is perpendicular to AB. So that's what is given. Show that this is what we have to show. OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus E square. So now seeing this, don't get panic. Very easy question it is. Very easily you can prove if you are clear with the Pythagoras theorem. So first let's begin. First part. Okay, so this is what we have to prove. So first what is there? OA square is there. So let's see where is OA square here. O is here, A is here. So let's draw a line. Okay. So now this is OA. Okay. So another thing. We said that OF is perpendicular to AB. So if this is 90 degree, then this also will be 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree, then this becomes a hypotenuse. So now this OA has made this into two triangle. So which one shall we take? Now this we have to use Pythagoras theorem. Then how it would be? We have two triangles here. This is also 90 degree. For this becomes a hypotenuse OA. This also is 90 degree, and so for this triangle also this becomes hypotenuse. So let's take, if this is the hypotenuse, this triangle 1 and this is triangle 2. So let us see. If triangle 1 you take, hypotenuse is OA. Okay, OA square is equal to Pythagoras theorem we are applying. Okay, so OA square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to base plus perpendicular. You have to write. So base is here OE square plus, then this will be AE square. Okay, so you see whether these things are there or not here. So here OA square is here, OA square is here, then OE square, is there anywhere OE? Here OE square is there. Then AE square, AE is there? Nowhere. So that means this triangle we will not take. So let's take this triangle. Let us see. Here what is there? This is perpendicular OA square equal to, then if this is perpendicular, this is base and height. Okay, so then OF square plus this will be AF square. So you just check whether it is there or no. OA square is there? Yes. OF square is there? OF here. Then AF is there? AF is here. So what we will take? We will take this triangle. So same way we have to do for OB square and for OC square also. Same way we have to do it. I'll just clear up now. So I have highlighted which triangle we have taken. So let's take in triangle. This is OFA. OFA, apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So then what we get? So hypotenuse is OA square equal to OF square plus AF square. Okay, let's consider this as equation 1. So same way we have to do now with this OB. So OB square is where? Here. So OB. Okay, now between these two, which triangle to take? So you just see OB square will be equal to, then here we have, if we are taking this triangle, then you have BD and OD. So check whether BD OD is there or no. OD is there, BD is there, BD also is there. So better to take this triangle. So I just highlight it so that we don't get confused. So this triangle. Okay. So now same way, hypotenuse is here, OB square. So you can mention this in triangle ODB. ODB. Okay. Then you can write OB square equal to OD square plus BD square. Equation 2. So same way we will do with the OC square also. Okay, in triangle OC is where? Here. So OC. So now which triangle to take, this or this? So if you are taking this triangle, then OE is there, CE is there. OE, CE. So let's see, OE, CE is there. OE, CE, C is there. Whereas OE, OE also is there. OE square, CE square is there. So let's take this triangle. Okay. So in triangle OEC, OEC, OC is the hypotenuse, right? Because this is 90 degree. Here 90 means here also 90. So OC square will be equal to OE square plus CE square. So this is equation 3. Okay, so all three we finished here. So let's add all three equations. Adding equations. So add all this left side, you add first. That is OA square plus OB square plus OC square equal to, here you have OF square plus AF square plus OD square plus BD square plus OE square plus CE square. Okay, so now you see, here all plus we have, then here we have minus OD, OE and OF. This is in minus, because what is in right side, if you bring it to the left side, it will become minus. So which are the things to bring to the left side? That is OC, OD, OE. So let's see, OC, OD, OE. OC, OD is here. OD, OC. OC no. Here it is OD, OE, OF. So OD, OE, OF. So these are the three things we have to bring it to the left side. Then it is in plus here. When it comes to left side, it becomes minus. So OA square plus OB square plus OC square. So bring this to the left. Minus, this is OF square, then minus OD square, then minus OE square. Now remaining, let's keep it right side only. So that is AF square plus BD square plus CE square. So we have proved, see, all whatever we have to bring it to the left side, it becomes minus, then remaining one remains here. So you see, hence proved. Okay, first part we have proved. So now same way second part. Now second part also is very easy. We will take from this equation only. So this is, you see, this is Pythagoras theorem, right? Now look at here. Here what is given? AF square plus BD square plus CE square. So first you look at the AF square. So AF is here, AF is here. So keep AF here only. Now if you take to this side, this will become minus. So what will become? OA square minus OF square. This will remain here only. Okay. So from equation, so same way here also you see BD square, right? So we will keep BD here only. This we will bring it to the other side. Then this will become OB square minus OD square equal to BD square. So that's what we will do from equation 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So from equation 1, so can write down AF square equal to OA square minus, because this comes here, it will become minus. This I will write down and show you properly. See, this can be written like this. Where I will write? Here on I will show you. Okay, so this, if you are keeping this here only, this you can bring it this side. This is OA square, right? This is OA square. So when this is comes to the left side, it will become minus OF square. Then this remains here only. So it will become AF square. So this is what I have written here. You see, AF square I have written here, then equal sign, and this OA square minus OF square I have written. So you understand? So that's how you have to do with the equation 2 and equation 3. So now from equation 2. So equation 2 is here. So same way keep BD square. Then this will be OB square minus OD square. And from equation 3, CE we have to keep, right? Because C is here. So we keep CE square. CE square equal to, this will come, bring this side, it will become OC square minus OE square. So this we keep it as equation 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now what we will do? Add all three equation now. Add equation 4, 5 and 6. Why we have to add? Because here it is given here, see, plus plus. So we have to add. Here also plus is there. That's why we are adding them. So now add all this left side one you add. You will get AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to, and this you add here, OA square, this is minus OF square plus, this is OB square minus OD square plus, this is OC square minus OE square. So all three we add them. Okay. So now you see, now OA square minus OF square is what actually? So come here. Again you see OA square minus OF square. Let's see. This triangle you take. This is, if you use Pythagoras theorem, this triangle, what we get? This is the hypotenuse, that is OA square is the hypotenuse. Okay. Equal to, we will get OE square plus AE square. Okay. So now if you keep AE square here only, this is, this OA keep here only, and this OE bring this side, it will become minus OE square equal to, this will become AE square. Okay. So now OA minus OE gives us what? AE. So this is what we want actually, AE. So to get AE, what we want? OA square minus OE square. So OA square we have, then OE also we have here. Okay. So these two can we write down here, or you can directly also you can write down, there is no problem. Okay. So CE square equal to, now let's write down OA square and this minus OE square. Okay. Now plus. So same way we will get it of this triangle also. Of this triangle also, next what is there? That is CD. CD is where we have C here and D we have here. Okay. CD is here. So to get CD, hypotenuse is, this is OC. So OC minus OD will give us CD. Okay. So OC minus OD. OC minus OD. So you have OC here and you have OD also here. So write down here. So OC square minus OD square. Okay. So now what is left is, so this is also gone, this is also gone. So what is left is here we have OB square minus OF square. Okay. So now nothing to write, just write down. That's what we have to prove. BD square plus CE square. So we know OA square minus OE square is what actually? OA square minus OE square is AE square. So same. So everything will be like that only. So you just write down this part here. Is equal to, so this is actually AE square plus OC minus OD square is what? OC minus OD means CD, this is, so CD square. CD square. Then plus OB minus OF. OB minus OF. OB minus OF means BF. So BF square. So hence we have proved. That's what we are supposed to prove. So you see here. So we have proved. Isn't it easy? Only time consuming, but if you have understood, it's very, very easy. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.